excited because I picked up the T3 Bodywaver from Ulta. I am so pumped to try this. You know when you go to the salon and they just give you that beautiful blowout that you can never recreate at home? Like, I try so hard to recreate it and I never can. So I'm like, if this does the job, I am pumped about it. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I use this today. It's actually going to be my first time using it, so I don't really know how to use it, but we're going to do like a first impression kind of thing. So I'm super excited. I just blow dried my hair. I got out of the shower and I just used like a flat paddle brush because I really want to see how well this thing like works its magic. It was, how much was this? Kind of expensive for a hot tool, but I mean, I buy like what are they? GHD straighteners. Those things last me years. Like, I've probably had mine for over 5 years now. No problems whatsoever. It's the best. So T3s I've heard are really good as well. And it was $149. So when you think about having that for over 5 years, that's really not bad for a hot tool. And hopefully it will last more than 5, but I've heard these things are great. And they use like an infrared technology that isn't supposed to be as damaging on your hair. So I can't wait to try this out. So first I'm just going to brush out my hair. And then I'm just going to take a rubber band and part it like a little bit beneath my ear. Usually I use a big clip for this, but I don't know where all my big clips went. Do you guys like buy clips all the time and then you just can never find them? Or bobby pins? That's how I am.
Like, where do they disappear to?
So I'm going to be using the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant Spray. This is what it looks like. I always like to spray a heat protectant on my hair just to keep some damage away. I know it's not going to keep all the damage, but just to help out a little bit. And then I always just brush that through my hair. Oh, it's kind of strong. I absolutely love the packaging of this. What you call this packaging? I just love how this looks. Crisp white with the rose gold rim is so pretty, and this feels very expensive. It doesn't feel cheap whatsoever, which if you're paying $149, hopefully it would feel expensive. There's this little knob down here that you change. You can twist it and it will give you the different heat settings. So today I have it on level 3. All my bottom pieces, I'm going to go kind of curl them in, and then as I get closer to the top, I'm going to kind of flip those away. Just move the hot tool how you want your hair to shape. I was watching a few videos and they'd say to like drag this down a little bit, and then you want to leave a little part of the clamp open because or else it's like really hard to drag down. And then don't burn your ear. But you want to hold it close to the root because that's what's going to create that volume that you get at the salon with that like beautiful round brush that I can never really recreate at home. So just hold that and release. Hey, do you care if I call you back after my video just because I'm in the middle of it?
Hey everyone!
Hey, say hi. Kyle's on the phone.
Hi!
Alright, so see how it created that beautiful little flip right there? It's not a curl, it's not a wave, it's just like a flip. I absolutely love that. Let's do the same thing to this piece. You're going to kind of run it down so you smooth out that piece a little bit. I pull it to about the ends there and just start twisting. Leave it on my root a little bit, and then I always turn it horizontal and release it. So you have that beautiful little S wave going on. Oh my gosh, this is so good! If this makes my hair look amazing like a blowout, I'm so freaking pumped about this. And what I like is you can hold the end too, because this part's not very hot, it's just a little bit warm. And then you just twist it up, hold it close to your root, but try not to burn your ear. This is like a really big wand. But look how good that is and how pretty. I really love how they have this knob at the bottom that controls the heat settings, because I notice on my other hot tools, it will be like buttons that I press, and I notice I always press, like accidentally hit the buttons when I am curling my hair. or like turn it off, and I'm like, what is happening? So that's really nice. So just pull it through towards the ends and then wrap it up. Try to get as close as you can to the root and try to keep it horizontal. And then I just hold it for a few seconds and release. You just get those beautiful bouncy S-waves that the stylists always give you after they round brush your hair. So I'm going to keep doing the same thing all around my hair until I get to the top section, and then I'll show you guys what I do up there.
I just want to hold you. I just want to look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution.
Alright, so for these bottom layers, I went towards my face, and these middle layers, I'm going away from my face. So now what I'm going to do to flip it away from my face, I'm going to turn the clamp to the ground. And then I'm going to bring it to my ends, just like I did before, and twist it up towards my root. And I'm going to just hold that there for a few seconds. And then you just want to bring it down, and you get this beautiful kind of curve. And sometimes I kind of twirl it with my hand too, just to make it a little bit more bouncy. Make sure you spray each section. So I'm going to spray the back of my hair in this section and just tease it up, because I want this section to like kind of go up and back. You know, like how the Kardashians kind of have that, like, that's what I'm hoping to achieve. We'll see. And then for this section, I'm going to treat it like I did with the back of my head. I'm going to split it up, and I'm going to roll it with the clamp facing up towards the ceiling, and roll it down towards my root. And then you see how that fell just beautifully behind your head, and it kind of creates that lift right there. And then for my bangs, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but let's kind of play with them and then we'll see. So I have these two side pieces that are a little bit longer, and I'm going to curl those away from my face. You can kind of leave them swept to the side like I did, or you can bring them out in front, which I think that's what I'm going to do. Creates that like Bridget Bardot look. Bardot, I don't know. Kind of has the bangs that are split down the middle and just look really almost 70s. I love that. So that is it, you guys. I am so happy with this hairstyle. It really feels like I just left the salon, and I have that beautiful salon blowout that will literally last for almost a whole week if you're gross like me and don't wash your hair for a whole week. I try to go like 4 to 5 days, maybe not a whole week. But this will last me for a very long time. Definitely go check out the T3 Bodywaver. This is like my new #1 tool that I'm going to use way more than like my curling irons or anything. I'm obsessed with this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!